Welcome to Technology Problems. These are common issues when computers and devices stop working properly. Computer issues happen when devices fail unexpectedly. Tech troubleshooting helps us learn the vocabulary and solutions for these everyday problems. A crash means a program stops working suddenly. It closes without warning. A computer crash is when the entire system shuts down unexpectedly. This can happen during normal use and loses all unsaved work. Freeze means a program stops responding completely. You cannot click or type anything. Screen freeze is when the display becomes unresponsive. The mouse and keyboard do nothing even though the computer is on. A virus is malicious software that infects your computer. It spreads from file to file. Computer virus damages important files and slows down the system. It can steal personal information too. Error means a problem or mistake in a program. It prevents normal operation. Error message is a warning that appears on screen. It tells you exactly what went wrong with simple words. Bug is a mistake hidden in computer code. It causes programs to work incorrectly. Software bug creates wrong results or unexpected behavior. Programmers must find and fix these bugs. Glitch is a small temporary problem in software or hardware. It fixes itself quickly. System glitch causes minor malfunctions that don't last long. These are usually not serious issues. Here is the summary of all technology problems. Crash means sudden stop. Freeze means no response. Virus is infection. Error shows mistakes. Bug is code flaw. Glitch is minor issue. Now you know these important English technology words.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.